Hi, I'm Rick Benoit. I'm the founder of BowlU and the builder of this website. Whether you're a bowler, a coach, a pro shop operator, a proprietor, or an industry leader, we're sure your experiences that you'll see within BowlU are unlike anything you've seen before. While most of your questions could be answered in the non-member section of the site, we thought you might want to take a peek at what's inside. We'll start by showing you how to access the members section. At this point in time, we're not concerned about showing you how to sign in. We can do that later. Let's get started. You'll find easy access by following the link at the top of the page. It's the blue link that shows a man sitting at a desk. This symbolizes the classroom section of the website. The first page you're going to come to is actually a Twitter page. Now I'm leaving this page on here because it allows me to give messages from anywhere at any time. Also, while you're on this page, it's a good opportunity for you to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and the RSS feeds. By following the members link, you are now inside of the members section. There are 6 main sections, easily identifiable by their name. The home section will provide everyday communication with our members. The home page features headline news, random thoughts that can come from anywhere at any time, and answers to questions you asked. Let me give you a little bit of background information. The original concept of BowlU was to answer the logistic challenges I was feeling. Camps and seminars are great things, but they don't provide enough time to finish the job. You're only there long enough to hit the high notes. You get people thinking differently, and then you're gone. And then they have no way to get back in touch with you. We've solved that problem. You can only be in one place at one time. We've solved that problem. Individual lessons offer the same challenges, and they're quite expensive. So we've solved another challenge. By giving you an opportunity to work at your own pace, whenever and wherever you prefer. Those original concepts led to the classroom section of BowlU, which takes on an entirely different look. The classroom takes the form of an online university. This is where you're going to find the answers. We're going to deliver those answers with structure and order in mind, sparing no details. This section is a lifetime of knowledge and experience that will continue to grow parallel with the sport and any challenges it has to offer. You will now notice you have 3 BowlU sections open. There's the classroom, the section you're in now, the non-members section, and the newest section I consider to be a laboratory of practical application. It allows you to experiment with everyday bowling challenges. This section is intended for quick reference information on building an arsenal, developing your physical game, matching up to lane conditions, and everybody should know the value of saying, yes you can. One of the most confusing aspects of bowling is how to choose a bowling ball. On that matter, how to build an arsenal. Let's show how we can make that process make more sense. BowlU has created a resource that showcases the theories and strategic thoughts that makes choosing a bowling ball as simple as choosing a golf club. We will present the art of building an arsenal by giving our members the option of identifying proven performance or matching up to the competitive environments. In the arsenal building section, we showcase bowling balls that have been submitted for BowlU review. Through the watchful eye of myself and the experience of the BowlU performance staff, we suggest how these balls are best used. This offers our members the same type of ball motion understanding BowlU has shared with elite athletes around the world. So whether you are looking to fill an arsenal gap or match up to a competitive environment, this section of the members site will certainly reduce the confusion of finding the right ball. While we're here, let me show you how we can use the matching up tool. We have made this tool easily accessible through both the arsenal building section and the lane play section. Imagine yourself in a competitive environment and you'd like another opinion about your strategy. We have designed this section to quickly link you up to strategic options that can help clear up your competitive picture. We'll start out by simply clicking on one of three options: shorter, medium, or longer. Don't worry about what the actual values are. What's it feel like to you? Does it feel like it's a shorter pattern, a longer pattern, or anywhere in between? Trust what it feels like. It's a relative comparison, so trust your own judgment. You'll be guided to the next page, which will ask you if you're bowling on the fresh transition phase, the blended transition phase, or the burn transition phase. Again, trust your judgment. Click on the one that you feel it is. With the next option, you're going to be asked what physical style you're using. Think about your physical game. Don't compare yourself to others. If you're using your medium speed and your higher rev rate, that's the one I want you to pick. By doing so, you'll be provided shapes. You'll be given options below those shapes to select whether you're on a friction level of 1 up to a friction level of 5. Friction level 1 means that the lane is providing a lot of friction. So obviously you're not going to want a ball with a lot of friction. Whereas friction level 5, there's a lot of oil on the lane. You're going to need a ball with some friction. By clicking on friction levels 1 through 5, you'll be guided to a selection of balls that will provide you with the shape you selected in the part of the lane you selected as well. So the next time you're in competition, keep that cell phone logged on to the members section and you'll have the added advantage of BowlU experience in your pocket. And there's more. You can click on the lane to understand lane play strategies for any one of the specific styles. You can click on the style meter to help you understand your style even better. It's hard to go wrong with all this information. This same type of attention is given to the physical game, lane play strategies, and the ultimate difference in our sport: your ability to believe in what you're doing. Let's peek inside the lane play section. Everybody wants to eliminate the confusion of the pattern. This is how it's done. We'll start by giving you strategy suggestions on the short, medium, and long patterns. We will give you the theories that have been the foundation for many of the greatest bowlers in the world. Maybe you want specific strategy suggestions. Check out the Library of Pattern Thoughts. Here we showcase the 12 WTBA patterns used for international competitions. Click on any one of them and you get strategic answers for the fresh, the blend, and the burn. Let's check out the Yes You Can section. In this section, we'll store media focused on the competitive advantages of your athletic aura. We will use all forms of media to enhance the ultimate difference every bowler seeks. All of this, and we haven't even gone in the classroom. Let's take a quick look inside the classroom. The main thing I want to show you about the classroom is the structure and the order. Every member will start at the same location. Each course has the same design. There are 11 levels that everybody must complete. These are called your requisite courses. Within each level is a varying number of courses. We have divided each level up into your classroom studies, which is theoretical knowledge, and your physical training section. So each level will work on both your knowledge and experience and your physical training. To move from one level to the next, everybody will be asked to take a level review. With satisfaction of the level review, you'll be allowed to enter the next level. This allows us to offer certification programs. We introduce this gradually, so the first 3 levels will not require a level review. At the start of level 4, everybody will be required to pass a test to move to the following level. Each course will have a similar look. There will be 3 main sections. There will be the video classroom, the audio classroom, and course articles. There are 10 additional sections to enhance your BowlU experience. It'll be required to study the video, the audio, and the article classrooms because the content of the level review will come from those 3 sections. At the conclusion of the requisite courses, which includes the first 11 levels, you will be allowed to decide which direction you want to continue. Maybe you want to continue with your competitive bowling. Maybe you want to become a pro shop operator. Maybe you want to focus on your coaching. Any direction you choose to go will be there to offer certification programs. So whether you're looking for a quick fix or in-depth studies and certification, you are being afforded one of the most unique experiences and opportunities in the sport of bowling. All of this for less than the cost of a bowling ball. It's a simple enrollment process. Click on the link found on your home page. Enroll at BowlU, the next revolution.